Have you ever tried an idea about how to work smarter, but then you fell off the wagon? I'm David Stiernholm, and in this episode of Done, I'll share one way to get better workways to stick. But first, do you find yourself rushing to make it on time more often than you'd like? I have found 3 concrete tricks you can use to start being on time from now on, and I wrote about them on the Struktör blog. You'll find a link to them in the show notes. When you have ideas about something you could do at your job in the future, how do you ensure you do it from now on? Isn't it easy for the excellent idea to be tested once or twice and then you forget to do it in the new way and it doesn't amount to much? Well, at least that has happened to me more than once. The good idea could be a new, innovative way to market your services in a particular situation, or about following up on a specific number at every quarterly meeting, or about staying updated on future developments in a particular area because you have discovered that it's very useful for you. When the idea is fresh, it's no problem to remember to do something with it because you think about it whether you want to or not. But when you have concluded that it is so good that you want to make it a habit and part of your daily routine, it's not reasonable for you to have it in the back of your mind to make it happen. If you want space to handle all the new things your workday brings, you must make the idea a natural part of your daily work. Let me give you an example. A while ago, I had the idea that it could be good to make short videos with structure tips, among other things, so that those considering hiring me as a speaker can see how I am. And I can assure you that I'm the same in the videos as I am when I give talks. This in addition to the fact that I enjoy sharing tips, of course. I made a few videos, but after that, there wouldn't be many made if I had to constantly keep in mind that, oh right, I need to make a video too. Instead, I decided how often I would make videos, divided the work into short tasks, and added them to my daily to-do list. And as you know, I ended up making quite a few videos, and I still do. Those small recurring tasks are crucial. Let's call them maintenance tasks, because they ensure that what comes out of your work is consistently at the high level you want. Do this. If you currently have a new idea that you would like to continue with, but it is becoming difficult to get it done, create some maintenance tasks for it. First, divide what needs to be done into steps that each can be completed in one workday. This makes them fit nicely on your to-do list. Decide when and how often it would be best for you to do each. It could be every day, or week, or month, or less frequently. Add these tasks as recurring tasks to your to-do list, preferably in a digital tool. And now you're done. Now you no longer have to keep these tasks in your mind. Do them when they appear on your list, and the new things will get done. Because if you turn your good ideas about ongoing tasks into maintenance tasks, it will be easier to get them done. You don't have to remember to do it the new way. You can just trust that if you do what's on your list, it'll turn out the way you want. For me, this is a simple automation. What tricks do you have for turning new ideas into natural parts of your daily work? Do you do it differently than what I have suggested here? Please write to me at david@stiernholm.com and tell me. I'm curious about what you have come up with. If you know someone who often comes up with good ideas, tries them a couple of times and then forgets about them, tell them about these maintenance tasks. Because if more people around us work in a structured way, we all benefit from it. Thank you for today and see you again next week.